The National Thunderstorm warning for northeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts until 5:15 p.m. Service in Boston 33 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Coleraine, Oregon, 9 miles northwest of Greenfield, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Northfield, Bernamston, Coleraine, Gill, Warwick, and Leiden. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following county. Franklin, Massachusetts, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Franklin. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station W.
That's more.
The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Sullivan County in central New Hampshire, northern Cheshire County in southern New Hampshire, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was near Charlestown, Oregon, 13 miles south of Claremont, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. To roofs, siding, and trees. Not Claremont, trees. Locations impacted in Ackworth, Goshen, Langdon, Washington, and Unity. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire, Cheshire, and Sullivan. This is NOAA.
We got a new alert.
Siding and trees. Marlow, Stoddard, Walpole, Alsted, Gilson, Windsor, Surrey, Leicester, Ackworth, Goshen, Langdon, Washington, and Unity. For your protection, move to an
Oh, come on.
the Nash, Cheshire, and Sullivan. The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts until 5:45 p.m. At 4:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Leiden or near Greenfield, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greenfield, Orange, Deerfield, Montague, Northfield, Bernamston, Buckland, Shelburne, Irving, Coleraine, Gill, New Salem, Wendell, Warwick, and Leiden. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following county, Franklin, Massachusetts. The night up to 20 miles an hour. County in southern New Hampshire until 8:30 p.m. 7 p.m. Radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. These were to or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar and automated gauges. 3 and streams,
Embarrassment of a
urban
station.
areas, and areas, streets and underpasses, poor drainage and low. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Charlestown, Alsted, Marlow, Walpole, Stoddard, Leominster, Ackworth, Goshen, Langdon, and Unity.
Now we see if FM is relaying at all.
Service in Boston has issued a severe
Literal embarrassment of a station.
until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe
Come on, dude.
15 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
WNG 575 is an embarrassment of a station.
Whately, Pelham, and New Salem. Flooded
I am so done with WNG 575's bullshit. This degraded shit. Like, flood for Franklin. No. Oh my god. Stupid ass thing. Stop.
At 6:16 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. 0.5 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Flash flood caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Deerfield, Montague, Sunderland, Conway, Leverett, and Whately. Evening. Flooding caused the 6 p.m. weather. Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Rockingham County in southern New Hampshire, central Hillsborough New Hampshire, southeastern Merrimack County in central New Hampshire until 7:30 p.m. At 6 feet, located over Goffstown or near Manchester, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Manchester, Derry, Merrimack, Bedford, Hooksett, Amherst, Litchfield, New Boston, Mount Vernon, Raymond, Goffstown, Mount Vernon, Ware, Londonderry, Bow, Auburn, Chester, Allenstown, Deerfield, and Candia. This includes the following highways: Interstate 293 between mile markers 1 and 11. Interstate 93 between mile markers 12 and 32. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a Western Rockingham County has been issued.
We've been tracking.
Customize the alerts sent directly to you.
Severe weather moving in would make for a messy evening commute.
New Hampshire's weather experts streaming right to your phone.
Here's when the storm will hit your neighborhood.
Interactive radar helping you steer clear of trouble.
Things are changing out.
Right on cue.
The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Rockingham County in southern New Hampshire, central Hillsborough County in southern New Hampshire, southeastern Merrimack County in central New Hampshire until 7:30 p.m. At 6:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Goffstown or near Manchester, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Manchester, Derry, Merrimack, Bedford, Hooksett, Amherst, Litchfield, New Boston, Mount Vernon, Raymond, Goffstown, Mount Vernon, Ware, Londonderry, Bow, Auburn, Chester, Allenstown, Deerfield, and Candia. This includes the following highways: Interstate 293 between mile markers 1 and 11. Interstate 93 between mile markers 12 and 32. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire: Hillsborough, Merrimack, and Rockingham.
At ebaymotors.com. Eligible.